Hello, my name's Miles Thompson and I'm the illustrator behind Thunder and Cluck. Friends do not eat friends. This is just for play, so let's get goofy. Thunder, 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 and... It's impossible to draw and not make sounds either in your head or just out loud for fun for yourself. Okay, let's jump in. Get silly! Get silly! See? I told you. It's a lot more fun to draw with a lot more noise coming out of your face while your hand moves around the place. These are the very first drawings I did of Thunder and Cluck. A chicken doesn't really seem like it might be something that's fun to draw, but dinosaur chicken. Awesome! Doodly doodly doo. Doodly doodly doo. Drawing's fun.
Drawing's fun.
Doodle 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 doodle. Drawing's fun.
Drawing's fun.
Cluck's pretty easy. Like a half a feather with an M cut out of the back of it, sort of. Stick legs, kind of like bent forks. Curly cute tail. Rubbery looking wings. Big snooty sharp tooth snaggly. You get it. Thunder, on the other hand, is a big guy.
Big belly.
Big legs, long tail. The one really important thing about Thunder is he has weak little arms with tiny little claws. He's got a few spots on his belly, maybe some spots on the back of his head, lots and lots of wrinkles. Don't forget the curly cute wrinkles on his knees. Those are fun. What really makes Thunder Thunder? All the teeth in his mouth and the scales on his back. I only have one rule when it comes to drawing, and that rule is fun. Fun! The number one rule is fun. Simple fun. You can always change your mind. You can always change it back. I hope you had as much fun watching as I had making this video. Thank you for checking it out.